I have with me here my three favorite trading-related books. Starting off with number 3, Flash Boys by Michael Lewis. This book is a pretty nice read. It's about high-frequency trading firms and how they front-run traders and investors, both on the retail side, but also on the professional side. So pretty nice read. Highly recommend this one. Now, my second favorite trading-related book is Reminiscence of a Stock Operator by Edwin Lefebvre. Now, this book tells the story of Jesse Livermore, one of the most known stock traders in the world. It's written in a first-person view, so it reads like a story. Now, Jesse Livermore traded in the 1900s, so a completely different time, but it's such a captivating story where you're going through his life from starting to trade at the age of, I think, 14, losing all his money, making it back, and then the things he went through where you see a lot of similarities of things that happened back then, where he traded in what's called bucket shops and where they would do stop-loss hunting, similar to things that happen nowadays. So I think that's what made the story really captivating, is just you see a lot of similarities, even though it's a completely different time. So absolutely love this book. This is my second favorite one. Now, my number one favorite trading-related book is Dark Pools: The Rise of Machine Traders and the Rigging of the US Stock Market by Scott Patterson. Now, this is by far my favorite book on the subject. It talks about the microstructure of the stock market. So unlike other books who might talk about speed traders and the issues that they cause, this book explains the microstructure, how it was created, how it came about, and how traders game it. Now, when I say microstructure, let me actually show my screen here. What I'm talking about is, you know when you want to buy a stock and you open an order book and you see all the buyers and all the sellers that want to buy or sell that stock? Let me zoom in here, actually. So you'll see that there's some buyers on New York Stock Exchange, some on NASDAQ, but there's buyers and sellers on a lot of other venues, on ARCA, on BATS, on Direct Edge, on EDGE, BYX, and a bunch of other dark pools that you can't even see here. This book discusses the genesis of this, the creation of a lot of these venues, these ECNs. Because initially we just had NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange, and Amex. Now we have way more ECNs and dark pools. And this book talks about the genesis of a lot of these venues, like ARCA, for example, Archipelago. There's a chapter on that here. BATS, there's a chapter on that here. Island, which was bought out by NASDAQ, there's a chapter on it here. So it's a really fun read because you're going through the story of how they're created and then how they're trying to attract volume by, giving out rebates and having different fee structures, and how traders are trying to game the difference in that fee structure. So you really get an understanding of the microstructure, how it works, and how traders are gaming it in this book. So it's very informative, but it's also a really good read. It's just a really fun read. When you pick it up, you just can't stop reading it. So I think this is a must read. It's my favorite by far. And I think that's it. That does it. Those are my 3 favorite books. And I'll see you guys in the next one.